Hi guys, Owen here. In the highly competitive digital landscape, optimizing your website or landing pages is essential to generate more affiliate sales and increase conversion rates. By implementing effective strategies, you can enhance user experience, attract targeted traffic, and improve the overall performance of your affiliate marketing efforts. In this article, we will discuss key strategies to optimize your website and maximize your affiliate sales. First, understand your target audience. To optimize your website effectively, it is crucial to have a deep understanding of your target audience. Research their demographics, interests, and pain points to create tailored content and offers that resonate with them. By aligning your website with your audience's needs, you can improve conversion rates and drive more affiliate sales. Number 2. Create compelling and relevant content. High-quality and engaging content plays a significant role in optimizing your website for conversions. Develop informative articles, tutorials, product reviews, and comparison guides that provide value to your visitors. Focus on addressing their concerns, solving their problems, and showcasing the benefits of the affiliate products or services you promote. Use compelling headlines, clear formatting, and visuals to enhance readability and encourage users to take action. Number 3. Optimize website speed and performance. A slow-loading website can significantly impact user experience and discourage conversions. Optimize your website speed by compressing images, minimizing code, leveraging browser caching, and using content delivery networks, CDNs. Regularly monitor your website's performance using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or GTmetrix, and make necessary optimizations to ensure fast and seamless user experiences. Our online business app, Website Builder, is awesome, easy to use, and fast. Fourth, implement responsive design. With the increasing use of mobile devices, it is essential to have a website with a responsive design. Responsive websites adapt to different screen sizes and provide optimal user experiences across desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Ensure that your website's layout, images, and content adjust appropriately to different devices, improving user engagement and conversions. Fifth, simplify navigation and user experience. Streamline your website's navigation to make it easy for visitors to find what they are looking for. Opt for clear and intuitive menus, categorize your content effectively, and include a search function for quick access. Incorporate clear calls to action, CTAs, that guide users towards desired actions, such as signing up for newsletters or making a purchase. A user-friendly website enhances engagement, builds trust, and boosts conversions. Number 6. Optimize landing pages. Landing pages are crucial for driving conversions. Create dedicated landing pages for your affiliate offers, tailored to specific campaigns or products. Optimize these pages by focusing on persuasive copywriting, compelling visuals, and prominent CTAs. Minimize distractions and keep the design clean and uncluttered to direct users' attention to the desired action. Regularly test different elements like headlines, CTA placement, and color schemes to optimize performance continually. Number 7. Leverage social proof. Social proof can significantly influence users' decision-making process. Incorporate testimonials, customer reviews, case studies, and trust badges on your website to build credibility and trust. Highlight successful experiences, endorsements, and positive feedback from satisfied customers to instill confidence in your audience. Social proof can be a powerful driver of conversions and affiliate sales. We have tons of testimonials that you can check out for free, for examples in the description below. Lastly, monitor and analyze performance. Regularly monitor your website's performance using analytics tools like Google Analytics. Track important metrics such as traffic sources, conversion rates, bounce rates, and click-through rates. Analyze this data to identify areas for improvement, understand user behavior, and make data-driven decisions. A well-informed optimization strategy can lead to continual growth in affiliate sales. In conclusion, optimizing your website or landing pages is a crucial step towards generating more affiliate sales and improving conversion rates. By understanding your target audience, creating compelling content, optimizing performance, and leveraging social proof, you can enhance user experiences, build trust, and encourage conversions. Continuously monitor and analyze your website's performance to make informed optimizations and drive ongoing growth in your affiliate marketing efforts. Please check out the links in the description below. Under read more, like, comment and subscribe. See you on the inside.